Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. It is just brutally cold out there. As of 11:30 a.m., temperatures were still below zero and wind chills were in the 20s below zero. We're going to track these dangerous wind chills for the rest of today and then tonight. Still very cold. Of course, it's going to only get colder for tonight. We'll have a wind chill warning in effect for parts of the viewing area. Wind chills could be as cold as 40 degrees below zero. And we'll start to warm up on Thursday. Still a little on the breezy side, but it'll feel a whole lot better than where we are right now. Here's a look at the advisories and warnings. Again, that wind chill warning will go into effect at midnight and will continue into tomorrow morning. Everywhere else under a wind chill advisory through noon on Wednesday, so everybody is covered by something. And here's a look at the wind chill breakdown. We're going to see today wind chills between 15 and 25 below. Tonight, anywhere from 20 to 40 degrees below zero. And that's only with a wind around 5 miles per hour. That's how cold it's going to be. Wednesday starting off around 25 below zero, but we'll work our way back up to near zero later on in the evening. Winds are up to 15 miles per hour today, which doesn't sound like a very strong wind, but it is enough to keep those wind chills quite cold. High pressure moves in overhead, and so we actually see a pretty light wind for tonight, but we're tracking near record low temperatures, and that's why it is going to get so cold. Here's a look at that high pressure system, kind of just meandering across the Midwest. It's directly overhead for tonight, and that's going to be the coldest night here. Otherwise, we get on the backside of that for tomorrow. Winds will shift to the south, and that's going to start to pull in some warmer air. We'll see a little more cloud cover for tomorrow evening, and then a mostly cloudy day on Thursday with perhaps a few flurries out there. Here's what we have for high temperatures today, though, just barely squeaking above 0 degrees. I'm expecting a high near 2 for Waterloo. Wind chills 15 to 25 below, and plenty of sunshine. Then for tonight, clear skies and a light wind that will allow our temperatures to drop down to around 20 degrees below zero. And again, the wind chills could be as cold as 40 below. Here's a look at your city-by-city forecast. Temperatures work their way back up to the mid and upper teens, and that's going to come later on in the evening for Wednesday. But temperatures keep going up through Wednesday night, and so by Thursday, we're going to see a high temperature right around the low 30s, just a 10% chance for a few flurries, nothing that will accumulate. Otherwise, a brief cool down for Friday, a high of 12, low sub-zero once again. The weekend is looking mostly cloudy. We should rebound back into the low and mid 20s, and for next week, the 20s and 30s with potentially a messy winter storm Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday.